How to reset forgotten password in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, tap on Sign In. At the bottom of the sign in page, you will see a button that says I forgot my password. Tap on it to start the password recovery process. Next, enter the email address associated with your Exness account and tap Continue. You will receive a verification code via email. Enter the code in the app to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before for this account. After entering the new password, tap Change Password and your password will be successfully reset. You can now log into your Exness account using your new credentials. If you encounter any issues during this process, you can contact Exness support for assistance. Now you know how to reset a forgotten password in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.